Traditional vinyl flooring renovations often come with a list of hassles. Dust, damaged flooring and subfloor, lengthy downtime. Emily knows this. This is why she chose Bostik Rebond system for her vinyl flooring installation. Comprised of an adhesive and a grid, Rebond helps you recover a clean and undamaged floor backing. Even years later, removing an old vinyl floor covering adhered with Rebond is effortless, as the adhesive is encapsulated in the grid. Not only do you recover it clean and undamaged, but your subfloor remains intact, with no glue or residues to manage. This means your next flooring renovation will not require an extensive flooring preparation, significantly reducing downtime without compromising on performance and quality, and making Rebond the ideal choice for high-traffic areas like hospitals, hotels, and retail stores. And your old flooring? It is cleaned and ready for recycling. A groundbreaking advancement for the vinyl flooring industry. Remove, recover, recycle. This is Rebond, a patented, innovative system in the field of vinyl flooring adhesion. Embrace the next generation of adhesive solutions.